Hello creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, our channel is where we drop YouTube graphic design tutorial weekly. Well, actually I did not drop last Friday because of some reasons. Alright, so let's dive into the design tutorial quickly. So we are going to be designing this advert flyer in Photoshop. Now let's get started. Let's go to your file, new file, and new. Size I used was 3000 by 3000 pixel. Resolution stays at 300. Then click on create. Go to solid color. The background color I used was, this is the color code 01018. So go to, as always, go to my view, new guides, and 90%. View again, you guys set this at 10%. Always remember when designing, add guides so your design will be visually aligned. Now go to horizontal and 90, and same horizontal. Now make it 10%. 10%. Let me bring in the background. So this was the background I used. The link will be in the description below. I want to add a glow, a kind of orange glow. Let me bring in the iPhone because I'm getting the color, I'm taking the color from the product. So here's my product. I want to take a lighter, I call it shade or tone, yeah, with the color. So alright, just dab. Oh, I was not wondering why it was not working. Always remember to toggle here, yeah, and see. Alright, change the blending mode to linear dodged. Yeah, then unhide this. I will zoom it, Ctrl T. I will scale it, and Ctrl U. I will click on colorize. If here 21 and make this saturation 47. Yeah, that's it. And I'll reduce the opacity to, I think 39% will be okay. And the fill, I also need to reduce the fill to at least 47%. Yeah, I'm cool with that. And I'll just scale it up. Yeah, so we are good here. Now the next thing I'll bring is the element I used. I already made this all available in the description of the video. And for those of you that actually watched my last video, don't be offended that I actually forgot to add the and description link. I thought I already added it before. It was one of the comments I realized I actually have not added it. So today we're putting the link in both videos. You can go and check the former videos that I made, the former video that I made about, I think, a tailoring brand design I made. Yes. Alright, so without talking, polarize, then change the hue to 21 and the saturation to 43. Let me change the blend. Change the blending option to pin light. Yeah, pin light. Let's bring it to the front. See. Yeah, something like this. This is actually a fictional brand project. Ctrl J to duplicate it. Oh no. Duplicate it and drag the duplicate one. Ctrl T to rotate it. And yeah. What I did was let me hide this. What I did was I saved the write-up, and so the video will be not lengthy, and so it will be fast for you guys. So let me bring it and drop it here. This is it. The write-ups. Now I already saved the write-up in the write-up will be in the description. This is the write-up. Let me hide it. Now let me take the phone down. Okay. You see I have a lot of work. So now next thing is to write the iPhone 17. Click on new and iPhone 17. Font I used was Bebas. Regular. And if you have not gotten your graphic design essential bundles, please do well to get it now. Let me take you guys through a brief of it. And so here is the graphic design essential bundles. Contains background, more than 100 background, more than 200 background. Contains elements. You can have your 2D element. This is a 2D element, and it also contains most essential element that you can use to fasten up your design. Most of them they don't have backgrounds. I already blur some, and so your design will be faster. These are light effects. You can see a bunch of them here, and these are model also. So you can see. So I advise you to take this opportunity right now to get it. It's sold for just 1,000 naira, and the link to get it will be in the description of this video. Now let's dive into the video real quick. All right, so go to FX, go to gradient overlay. Yeah, this is the gradient. I already saved the gradient. So color code for this is C96D3C. Click on OK. Then the other part is EAC7B5. Click on OK. So this is the color code. Now scale it. Ctrl T and scale. Bro, don't be afraid of scaling. Scale it, man. Remember the fonts I used was Bebas. I'll change here to -5. -5. Yeah, okay, here. Take it to the back of the phone. Yeah, something like this is okay. Then Control A. Align it centrally. Okay, then I'll also Control T and scale it. I want it to be big. And I'll bring it to the down a little bit. Let me bring the phone down. Yeah, so we're almost done. Now, next thing to do is to write the Promax. Draw a rectangular shape and give it a dark tone of the color. Add a gradient stroke. Add a gradient stroke to it. Give it a radius. Increase the stroke. Let me increase it to 4. Let me leave it at 4. We are good here. Now write your 17 Pro Max. Pro Max. And bring it to the front. Font I used was a Helvetica. I reduce the size, reduce the size, and give it a lighter tone of the color. I picked, I think, from here. Yes, we're almost done, guys. Hold your control, click on the shape. I want to centralize the text in the shape, then Ctrl D. We are done. Just group the two of them together. Ctrl G and name it Promax. And Ctrl T and rotate it a little bit. Yeah. What I will do next is, where is this first part that I and I will scale it and bring it here. I think I'm good here. See, scale it. So I'm good here. Now this part I'll shift it so I can be seeing what's written. Yeah, so good and good. What to do now next? Go to your lasso to click, and click. Give it a solid color. I actually want a lighter tone of this color. Yeah, convert it to a smart object. Go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Increase it. Set the blending mode to pin light, to linear dodge add. It's looking like a light, like a reflecting light. Now let me delete this and dab again on it. Go to your brush, dab. That this is okay. Now perfect. We are done the necessary things down to just add some effects. Don't forget to give it linear dodge add, and go to this layer I created on top of this phone, and tab here, change the blending mode to linear dodge add. Yes, then let's play with this. Give here exposure, hold your alt and click it to the phone, reduce it a little bit, yes, and Ctrl+I to invert it. The brush selected, brush in the part, make sure here is white, foreground is white. Alright, so make here black, and alright, now and go to your hue and saturation, go to your exposure, hold your alt and clip it, increase the brightness, the exposure, increase it, Ctrl+I and invert it. The brush selected, make paint the part you want to be light is reflecting on. The light is reflecting on this side, so that's why I'm painting a. Let me show you what the effects you can see. Now go to your curves, hold your alt and flip it inside, raise it, Ctrl+I, invert it, just paint in this part. I want the curve to be on. The last thing I'll do, go to solid color and pick this color. So let me find a lighter tone. I think this is okay, and clip it, hold your alt, clip it, Ctrl+I, invert it, and don't forget to paint. Reduce your brush while doing this, painting the edge. So change the blending option here to linear dodge add. So guys, this was how we achieved this wonderful ad flyer design in Photoshop. And if you have learned something today, drop a comment and do well to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next YouTube video. I will be dropping very soon. Peace.